Hello everybody and welcome back to Skullus Gaming. Today what I want to be showing you is not really a gaming video, but a science experiment. Let's get started. So what you're going to want for this is maybe 50 grams of baking soda, and as you can see my friend there has already exploderized it.
Oh, that's so cool.
Or fired it. It looks almost like mustard sauce actually.
Yeah, so if you can't see, there are tons of tiny bubbles here. They're just minuscule. It's so much fun to do.
By the way, one safety note: you do not want to get this stuff in your eye.
Exactly.
It is really nasty. It won't like make you blind or anything. It'll just cause a lot of irritation, and well, it's baking soda, so all of the safety concerns apply that involve baking soda. By the way, we're using 50 grams of this stuff. However, if you're using stronger baking soda, you of course need to put less, and perhaps a bit more ketchup if you're going to put more.
Exactly.
You just need to find the perfect ratio. We're using standard kitchen strength baking soda.
Yeah, and see, once the reaction's over, the bubbles die down, and you just have a massive air pocket.
We can show this to Mr. Collins.
Yeah. So, now, we're going to show you how to do it. Yeah. Okay.
So, let me just move the camera.
So, this is our local budget brand ketchup.
Let me just get a zoom on it.
If you want to make the experiment successful, you kind of have to choose budget brand.
By the way, we didn't state the goal of this experiment. What we want to do is compare the amount of vinegar in premium Heinz ketchup to just budget ketchup that you find in like your local shop.
So, anyways, we use this budget ketchup because it contains a lot more vinegar,
which is a lot cheaper
Heinz
to produce
than
tomato sauce, which is what they put inside there.
Exactly. And so, along with this, you're going to need baking soda. I'm assuming you guys have all heard of baking soda and vinegar. You put it together, foams, whoop-de-doo. That's what just happened there. The small amount of vinegar in the Heinz ketchup reacted with the baking soda. Boom, splat.
This should make an even bigger boom, quote unquote. But, of course, you should wear safety goggles, and you should be safety cautious.
Right. So, now we're going to show you how to make it. We have our ketchup here. It's about half a bottle. And here we have a little spout thing.
Which we have our baking soda in. Let me open it. Let me hold the things. Dude, we have so much baking soda left in this.
I know. Right. So, the baking soda's open. You want to pour it in there?
Sure.
Okay.
Just get behind the camera so then. So, the first thing you want to do is start by pouring your baking soda inside here. As I mentioned before, we're using roughly 50 grams. We are doing this outside, so if you're gonna do this, I advise you don't do it inside because you cannot get the stuff off walls, especially if your walls are white. Just of course be safety cautious. As a disclaimer, me and my friend will not take any responsibility if you do this experiment in your house. Take it at your own risk. We're doing this for fun. Just be safety cautious.
Yeah, just to note, we are using the proper safety equipment. Like, we're taking enough precautions so that nobody else gets harmed.
We are
Nothing gets
basically in the middle of the countryside. No one is here. There's one house over there, but it looks like it's been uninhabited for like 100 years or something. Okay, so we want to start by pouring the.
I got a little too much ketchup.
So yeah, he's just emptying a little bit of ketchup because that's if you put too much, then it doesn't react as well.
Right. So you can see that was very liquidy.
which means that it has a lot more vinegar than the Heinz, which was pretty solid. By the way, one thing to note, this experiment was done by Crazy Russian Hacker,
So
but
props to him.
yeah, but we are taking one step further. We are comparing budget supermarket brand ones to premium Heinz ones. So as you can see, my friend is trying to put the majority of the baking soda
There we go.
inside.
So there.
It's pretty
all
much empty.
Now, what we want to do, we need the cap.
So you want to put the cap on top of the
On top of the bottle, and then you want to shake it up really well. And once you feel
that it's
that there's
pressurized.
gas building up, you want to flick off the lid really quickly, and it'll make a massive jet. Okay, here we go.
So as you can see, perhaps not so much. It's almost it's reacting like 50 times. The reaction is like much stronger than the previous Heinz ketchup. Probably because it has a lot more. Oh crap! My phone's covered.
Oh Jesus. Okay, yeah.
Okay, so I was planning on using two different angles, but as you can see, my phone is absolutely covered in the junk. It still works though. The back's just covered. I hope it didn't get in the charging port. But yeah. Anyway, we're planning on using it as a secondary camera, but I have no idea now if we can actually still use it.
And so, props to Angry Russian Hacker and
Crazy Russian.
yeah, Crazy Russian Hacker. And How to Prank It Up. Go check their YouTube channels. Yeah, if you want to try another prank, it's How to Prank It Up, Life Hacks, Crazy Russian Hacker. Yeah.
Thanks, and see you next time. Subscribe if you like this video, and like it if you liked it. Of course, we won't be producing videos like this as often as normal gaming videos. But yeah. Hello everybody, and thank you for watching this video. Sorry for the abrupt stop. It was just that we couldn't carry on recording. Anyway, so I'll see you guys next time I make a video. I hope you guys are all doing well. Like the video if you liked it. If you disliked it, still like it, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one.
And props to Crazy Russian Hacker and How to Prank It Up. Check both YouTube channels if you like what we did. Yeah.
Yep.
Bye.